Hello class. Today let us try to understand the structure of a noun phrase. The noun phrase has the following items. The most important element of a noun phrase is the head of the noun phrase, which is always a noun, right? नाउन फ्रेजमध्ये सगळ्यात महत्त्वाचा जो भाग असतो तो म्हणजे त्या नाउन फ्रेजचं जे हेड आहे, मुख्य घटक जो आहे तो असतो नाउन. ओके. बिफोर द नाउन देर आर टू अदर एलिमेंट्स and immediately before the head of the noun phrase comes the pre-modification. Okay, so this is the pre-modification of the noun phrase. आता pre-modification काय असते? Pre-modification can be adjective or sometimes a noun is used in this section, and that is known as the noun modifier. In that case it is known as noun modifier. Before this pre-modification there can be some words which are known as the determiners. Okay, which are known as the determiners. Now these determiners that can be of three types: central determiners, predeterminers, and post determiners. Okay. Now what comes after the head? कधी कधी नाउन फ्रेजमध्ये हेडच्या नंतर सुद्धा काही घटक असतात, एक घटक असतो, अँड दॅट इज नोन ॲज पोस्ट मॉडिफिकेशन ऑफ दॅट नाउन फ्रेज. पोस्ट मॉडिफिकेशन और पोस्ट मॉडिफायर. Okay, I repeat again, this is the structure of a noun phrase. Noun phrase has these four elements, maybe 1 to 4 elements. First, most important is the head of the noun phrase. So this is the head of the noun phrase, and which is always a noun. Then before the noun we have pre-modification section. Pre-modification काय असू शकते? ॲडजेक्टिव्ह किंवा नाउन मॉडिफायर. जसं आपण एक्झाम्पल्स बघत जाऊ तसं तसं तुम्हाला ह्या सगळ्या कन्सेप्ट्स क्लिअर होतील. अँड प्री मॉडिफिकेशनच्या आधी पण काही शब्द असू शकतात. दे आर नोन ॲज दी डिटर्मिनर्स, अँड दिस डिटर्मिनर्स कॅन बी डिवायडेड इन टू 3 categories: predeterminers, central determiners, and post determiners. Okay. Now, after the head, there is another element which is known as the post modification, or it is the post modifier. Now, let us try to analyze this noun phrase. The big car. Okay, suppose this is the noun phrase, the big car. How to analyze this? This is NP, that is noun phrase. मग हा जो फॉर्म्युला आहे, हे जे स्ट्रक्चर आहे, यात आता हे कुठे बसणार? First, let us try to understand the head of the noun phrase. Now, what is the head of the noun phrase? Head is shown by capital H. काय head आहे इथे? Car. Okay. Car is the head. Pre-modification. Pre-modification काय दिसतंय आपल्याला? Adjective big. Okay. Pre-modification adjective big. And determiner. Before pre-modification there is determiner. Determiner is the. Okay. The big car. So this is the analysis of a noun phrase. You might be thinking that where is the post modification, but it is not necessary that each and every noun phrase has post modification. प्रत्येकच नाउन फ्रेजमध्ये पोस्ट मॉडिफिकेशन असेलच असं काही नाही. ओके, पण असू शकते. आता याच नाउन फ्रेजमध्ये आपण एक चेंज करू शकतो आणि काय होईल तिथे? पोस्ट मॉडिफिकेशन येईल. सपोज द बिग कारच्या ऐवजी आपण जर नाउन फ्रेज ही अशी लिहिली, द बिग कार इन द garage. Okay, the big car in the garage. Now what is this in the garage then? This in the garage is the post modification, post modifier. Okay, आणि त्याला आपल्याला परत एक लेबल द्यायचं असतं. So what is that? Now this in the garage is a phrase, is another phrase, and this phrase begins with in, which is a preposition. मग जी फ्रेज प्रेपोजिशननी तयार होते त्याला म्हणायचं प्रेपोजिशनल फ्रेज. ओके, सो हियर पोस्ट मॉडिफायर इज PP, that is prepositional phrase, and then again we have to write this in the garage. So this is the complete analysis of a noun phrase. There can be these 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 to 4 elements. Head, which is noun, pre-modification, which is adjective. Then there is determiner, that is definite article the, and this determiner is central determiner. Okay, central determiner, and then definite article. And big is the adjective, and in the garage is the post modification, आणि त्याचं लेबल काय आहे? prepositional phrase, PP. So this is the analysis of a noun phrase. A noun phrase consists of these 1, 2, 4 elements. Head, which is a noun, pre-modification, which can be adjective or noun modifier, and before pre-modification there can be the determiners, which are again divided into 3 categories: predeterminers, central determiners, or post determiners. We are going to discuss in detail all these determiners in another video. And there can be the 4th element of this noun phrase, that is known as, which comes after the head. So whatever comes after the head, that is known as the post modification. Now why this is pre modification and post modification? Modification means change. या नाऊनच्या अर्थामध्ये बदल घडवून आणणारं जे सेक्शन आहे, जे सुरुवातीला येते नाऊनच्या, बिफोर येते, प्री येते, दॅट इज प्री मॉडिफिकेशन. कारण की देर इज अ डिफरन्स बिटवीन द कार अँड द बिग कार. आता हे बिग काय आहे? बिग इज दी प्री मॉडिफिकेशन बिकॉज it modifies the meaning of the car, the big car, the small car, the red car, the blue car. So modification, this pre-modification changes the meaning of the head noun. And there is also something that comes after the head noun, that's why it is known as the post modification. It also modifies or it also changes the meaning of the particular noun, that is the head noun. That's why the big car in the garage, the big car on the road, the big car in the garden. So these in the garden, which is a prepositional phrase that comes after the head noun, known as the post modifier or post modification. Okay, so this is the structure of a noun phrase and this is how we analyze a noun phrase. अशा पद्धतीने noun phrase चं analysis आपण करत असतो. Thank you.